Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this one we're gonna just talk about some of the deals, some of the best deals on Amazon Prime Day. So I've shorted out some top 10 basic devices, the electronic deals that you can buy, and on all of these deals we have a really good discount. So starting with the Amazon Fire Stick, as you can see, it's a second gen Fire Stick and it is selling for rupees 2400, and the actual price of this is around 3999, which is almost 4000 rupees. So as you can see, we are getting like 1600 rupees of discount, which is really great, I would say. And if you want to just make any TV a smart TV, then I think this is a pretty good thing, as the Amazon Fire TV Stick is a way to go. So if you want to buy this, then I have the link in the description below, so you can just go there and buy it from that link. It does help the channel out. I have a link for all of these stuffs. So moving on, we have OnePlus 7T, and as you can see, the actual price of this is 40,000 rupees, but it is selling for rupees 36,000. So we are getting a discount of rupees 4,000, which is really great. And OnePlus 7T is still a really good device. It's nothing like you have to buy the OnePlus 8 T or OnePlus 8. Guys, you can still go for OnePlus 7T. It's still a really good device. And yeah, so now moving on to the another one, it's again OnePlus 7T Pro, and as you can see, we are getting a complete 10,000 rupees of discount on this one, which is really massive. And OnePlus 7T Pro is a hell of a device. If you are looking for a like mid-range kind of phone, then you can definitely opt for this. The OnePlus 7T Pro is a really good device. So yeah, now moving on to the another one. Actually, the 10,000 rupees of discount is really good, I would say. So yeah, you can definitely check this out. I have the link in the description below. Now moving on to some iPhone stuff, then we have iPhone 11 64GB. We have a discount. As you can see, the later it was selling for rupees 68,300. Now it's selling for rupees 59,900. So yeah, around 8,400 rupees of discount, which is really great for 64GB variant. And if you go to the 128, then as you can see, 73,600, but it's now selling for rupees 65,500. So again, a really good amount of discount on this one as well. And 256 variant, if you go there, then there's no discount on that one, but I think most of the people are interested in 128 and 64, so I think it's a really good deal. So you can definitely check that out. If you want to buy iPhone 11, then yeah, it's a pretty good deal, I would say. Now let's come on to some mid-range smartphone. And if you want to buy some Samsung phone, then there's a M31, and there's nothing like a really good discount or anything like that. It's just a 1,000 rupees discount, so it's selling for rupees 16,500 rupees. Later it was, I think, 17,500 or something. So yeah, if you want a Samsung phone, if you're really that Samsung fanboy and want a mid-range Samsung phone, I think M31 is a really good smartphone, to be honest. And now moving on to some headphones. Yep, we have a Sennheiser HD458BT. These are the newly launched active noise cancellation headphones by Sennheiser, and I think these are actually really good, because as you can see, the reviews are actually 3.9 out of 5, which is good, I would say. And these are newly launched. They are the successor to the 450BT, which was I think not that great, but I think these are definitely better than them. So I think you can, if you want a active noise cancellation headphones for yourself, then you can check these out. So yeah, these are newly launched. That's why I have included them. Now moving on to another one. These are the Boat Rockers 225, and if you want a really budget oriented Bluetooth earphones for yourself, then I think these are the one you can go for, because these are selling for rupees 1,000, like 9,990, like 999. Okay, so later these were sell for around I think 1,400 rupees or 15. Yeah, this is the regular price, which is 1,500 rupees. So the discount of rupees 500 is really good, I would say. So you can definitely check these out. Now moving on to the Bluetooth speaker. And yeah, as you can see, these are the Boatstone 650. And guys, to be honest, I have listened to these what do you say, the Bluetooth speaker, and they sound actually really good. Not too good, or you just cannot compare these with a premium Bluetooth speaker, but for the price they are really good. As you can see, they are XPX5 water and splash resistant as well, and 7 hours of playback time is really good. So you can definitely check them out if you want a like portable Bluetooth speaker for yourself, because we have a 500 rupees of discount on them, which is really good, to be honest. So yeah, I have the link in the description below as usual, so you can just definitely go in the link and buy them, check them out, or in case you buy them, then you can buy them as well. So now moving on to the another one, and this is actually a monitor, which is some budget oriented monitor, which is really good, guys. This monitor is actually really good, as I've tested this out, and actually my friend have this, and it's selling for 8,000 rupees, and the regular price is 9,699, so almost 1,700 rupees of discount on them, which is, I think, really good. So if you want a monitor for yourself, a budget oriented monitor, then I would say this is the one to go, as it is IPS as well, and it's 22-inch. So yeah, in case you are finding a monitor, then you can definitely consider it. Now moving on to the another headphones, and these are the active noise cancellation again. These are from Philips, and why I've included them is because of the discount. As you can see, the prime price is 8,000 rupees, but the regular price is 11,000 rupees, which is, I think, really great, and almost 3,000 rupees of discount on them. And they have active noise cancellation as well, which is a really good thing. And the overall build quality seems to be really good. The review is also fine. I would say it's 3.7 out of 5. So if you want you know active noise cancellation headphones for yourself, then you can definitely check them out. So guys, these were some of the deals from the Prime Day, and the link of all of these products are in the description below, so you can definitely check them out. And if you want to buy any of these products, then you can just go there and buy from that link. It does help the channel out. And yeah, that's it for this video now. And if you just simply like this video, guys, then hit the like button, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.